Guys, welcome to my channel GM Zone. A lot of you guys have been wondering that how can you be able to get photolab app for free, 100% free, with no subscription or no payment. This is 100% free, and if you really want it, this is my WhatsApp number you already seen on the video, or below this video's description you get my WhatsApp number from there, or you message me here up. It's very easy as that, and I'm going to just send you the link so that way, because right now most guys have been thinking and be wondering that photolab is now mostly used as AI image to be converted to yourself. I mean, to how to generate an AI image of your own self, which is very simple. We can even go into it right now and see how it's being used. We know that we have so many AI image look-alike. Look, anyone that is written look lab like this one is an AI image, which you can use any of it, and also some that are like is showing instant look is an AI image, just like this one. Also instant look is an AI image. We have this one shown here, look lab. We have this one also show here, look lab, and so on, look lab, and so on and so forth, instant look. So this is how just to use to get your hair image, very easy and simple. And if you really want to get this photo lab, you message me up on my WhatsApp, or you check my WhatsApp number below this video description, and it's already showing to you on the video, in this video. uh there are reasons why I don't want to actually do the link below this video. There are reasons for that. I already know just that, but just message me on WhatsApp and you're going to get it instantly, free, with no stress. Thank you. Bye.